Step in my dojo, you.
Step in my dojo, you.
Step in my.
Hey, what's up? It's ill.gates coming at you with some more free and ad-free music tips. If you are enjoying these ad-free videos, please like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends. All that good stuff lets me know that you are enjoying these and makes me want to make more of them. All right, so this is a tip for just general strategy for making connections in the music industry. And holy moly, does it ever work? All right, well, one thing that I can say about nearly every musician is they spend a lot of time checking out who is supporting their music, and they tend to get real excited when people show them that they care, okay? So what I suggest that you do is whenever you encounter a musician who is making music that you like, that you think is legitimately good, you should make a point of bigging them up from your artist page. Like their music, comment, subscribe, retweet them, share their tracks with your friends, because you know what? They see it. And unless they're like super, super, super huge, they're going to be doing their social media. And if you have a cool, memorable name, and you consistently show support with them, they are going to remember you. And then down the line, after you've been supporting this artist for a while, reach out to them and say, hey, what's up? I really love your music. I'm such and such a person. How's it going? Do you have a promo list I can be added to? Blah, 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 blah. And you make a connection. Note, do not ask them to do anything for you at this point. You want to ask them how you can be closer connected with them, sign up for all of their spam, and really show them that you care and blast their shit. And then, once you've gotten to know them and they know that you are a fan, only then, once you've proven that you legitimately care about them, once you've shown them that, then you say, hey, I'm really inspired by your music. Do you want to check out some music that I made that is inspired by your music? And most musicians will be like, you know what? Sure, I'll check it out. And I get a lot of demos, but you've shown me that you care. You've shown me that you support my music. Sure, I'll check out your music. And if they like your music, then you can become friends. And once you become friends with lots of people who are making awesome and relevant music, well, then you are in the music industry. And you will end up doing collabs and other good things. But a lot of people, they treat their artist page as just like this output-only marketing effort and do not humanize their artist page, and they don't show that there's a real person behind there. It can work for some people. Like some people can do the mysterious behind the scenes character thing, but that's kind of an outdated way to look at an artist page. Everybody knows that you're a human making music at a computer and like everybody else. Come on. So embrace your humanity and go out there and be cool and support other people in the music industry, because it can be a collaboration or a competition depending on how you think about it and depending on how you act. And if you act like you are collaborating to make a positive culture where other musicians can thrive, and you're being a cool, nice person, and you're not just buttering people up and trying to use them, and you're actually being nice and showing people that you care and showing people that you support them, well, guess what? Musicians notice that shit and they care and they will like you. So go do that. Support music you like really actively from your artist page and you'll make friends. It's really simple, but you'd be surprised how many people overlook this one. All right, hopefully that's helped to make the world a nicer place and helped to make you some business connections. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. Please support the videos. Peace.
It's like that.